Check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Electric tractors are all the rage nowadays, and the RiiRoo 2020 electric ride-on tractor is sure to excite. The massive rear wheels make this a perfect product for the garden, and to get them involved in some garden work. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, functioning horn, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. Padded leather style seats. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer a free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.